This is exactly how I got over 9,000 points in gold. Exactly how I got over 9,000 points. As easy as that. I entered from this point and I went down all the way and took profit here. How did I do that? 9,000 plus in gold. This is all I did. 9,000 points. Let me show you how I did that. I came all the way to my weekly time frame. As you can see, we have a structure here, A, B, C, D. I now dropped. I did not mark this one because it's far away, but I normally box my zones. I box all the way to the top. I now dropped to my daily time frame. If you go to my daily time frame, what do you see? You see structure here, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. The most recent, I pulled from here all the way to the top, giving me this box. I dropped down to my 4-hour time frame. Going to my 4-hour time frame, what do you see? We have a recent structure here, A, B, C, D, giving us a support at this point. What did I do? I now went to 1-hour time frame and I saw a structure, a closer structure to the time frame at that point in time. At that point in time, I had not seen any of this from this point, just to this point. And what did I do? I boxed this. I said A, B, C, D, and I boxed this, giving me support here. I went down to 30 minutes, and what did I see? 30 minutes gave me a drop here. 30 minutes gave me a drop here, and that is where I had a breakout. I do not exceed my 30 minutes, okay? I do not exceed my 30 minutes, and what did I see? I drew my support line here, and I had a breakout candle. And then I pulled my Fibonacci, this Fibonacci you see. I pulled my Fibonacci from 100 to 0 to that peak from the breakout candle. And I was hoping at taking my take profit at what 161.8 at this point. And at this point, what did I do? I zoned 161.8 and the breakout support level. So between the breakout support level and 161.8, how many supports do we have within this zone? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see these are the support levels we have within the zone. So what did I do? I picked out my horizontal tool and I went over and placed at the support and waited for breakouts. As the market came here, I knew it was going to reverse. So what did I do? I pulled my Fibonacci all the way from 100 in the box there, all the way to what? 0 to the top. And then I placed my entries. I placed 2 entries at this point, here and here. But I did not leave it at that. What I did was I now dropped to my 5 minutes time frame. What am I expecting my 5 minutes time frame to do? I expect my 5 minutes time frame to buy back up, give me structures, and break that structure a second time as a confirmation, which is exactly what happened. The candle broke out here. I had a breakout here on 30 minutes, and the market retraced back up. You can see giving me structure going up, and I finally broke my structure here, which confirmed that my entries were good. This Fibo levels I entered at the best spots to enter. And so what happened? The market came back all the way down. My first proposed take profit, 161.8, it came down all the way to it. But like I told you, what did I do? When I got my 161.8 take profit from the pull of this Fibo, of this breakout candle, I identified all of the supports within this zone, So we have 1, 2, 3. And this 4 is very close, so it's close to the support, to the final boundary of that zone. So what did I do? I pulled my Fibonacci out from this level. I identified the support level. I pulled my Fibonacci from this breakout candle, and then I moved my support line and pulled my Fibonacci from this breakout candle. This is a candle that broke out. You can see wicks coming. This wick is not a breakout. The wick is just an extension of the support. And so this is a candle that finally gave me a breakout. You can see body closure there. I pulled my Fibonacci from that candle, and then I pulled it down to the next support level I found within, and I put my Fibonacci again. And what happened? All of these guys gave me diverse levels. This guy gave me this level here. The next one gave me a level here. The next one gave me a level here. These are all possible areas that the market is going to go to. So what did I do? I came back and I kept waiting. And as you can see, the market broke out, went back, activated me here, came all the way down to my first take profit. This is my first take profit. Went to my second take profit and went to my third take profit. So let's see if we have some other 161.8 levels. Yes, we have another 161.8 level, but has not been hit yet. Why did I choose to stop here? I first stopped here. When the market retraced back, I entered and I stopped here. Why did I choose to stop there? Because when you come to 4-hour time frame, you can see that I have a box zone here. This is a support area. This is a support area. This is a support area, and this is a support area. So 161 falls within this box. The next 161 falls within this box. And then we'll have another 161 that falls within this box, which validates all of this because there's no other 161.8 anymore. So I expect the market came, took me out in profit here. I re-entered again, and then took me out in profit here. And then I waited for the market to come in to give me a breakout, but it didn't. So I now played back up, but I know the market is coming to this point. As you can see, this is where the market is. The market is gradually heading down to this point. That is how I made over 9,000 points in gold. I hope this really helps you. Very simple market structure.